Have you seen the Deco Glam pattern but were afraid of the curves? Here's a little tip for you. So I like to mark the middles of my long curves here and match them up. There's a seam right there that matches. And then I'm gonna connect it to the ends where the two seams meet, where the fans are done. And then we're gonna do a middles principle. So we're always gonna take the middle between those two pins, pinch the fabric in the seam allowance so we have a mark on each of the fabrics. And then once we line them up, we've got the middle of both of the fabrics, which is the most accurate way to match them. And we're gonna repeat that, taking the middles, marking them. And at some point we have enough that it's laying flat and we can just pin our curves. Sometimes it's a little bit hard to match, then you can also round your seam a little bit if it's just a little bit loose on one end, or you can keep doing your middles until the fabrics lay flat between the needles. I'm pinning about 1/2 inch apart. Got one half done. I'm gonna do the other half real quick. And here it is, lots of needles, but that'll really help. It's very evenly distributed. Now we're gonna sew on that side and straighten it out on the sides as we go. So making sure this is really flat on the side. I'm taking my needle out before I sew over it because they're on the other side and it's hard to see. I know it's slow and it takes some work, but this is the best way to do it. This is also sped up, so take your time and do it slowly. And after every couple needles, I'm straightening out the left side to make sure I don't have any puckers. That's why we're sewing from that side. And it's gonna be done in no time. Look at how smooth this is. It lays flat. We haven't even ironed it yet. And now we're gonna press it towards the fan. And look at that, how smooth that is. Now you don't have to worry about curves, and you can enjoy this pattern called Deco Glam.